way probably never gonna be what it used to. But I ain't gonna stress when there's nothing left. You gonna believe back in the brand new. You just get over again. I'm trying hard to move on, but how can you take it too cruel?
Last summer was like a dream, feels like last summer was like a dream. And I'm trying to figure out, I'm just trying to figure out what it means. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what it means. It's such a tragedy to stay inside on peaceful summer days, but I got nobody calling me, I stay behind the shades. I was thinking about the days, how they weren't even a
이제야 퇴근을 했나요? 오늘도 고생이 많네요. 그리 오늘은 맥주 한잔만 할 행이라고 하던 날이 벌써 꽤나 오래전 이야기야. 이제는
Okay, yeah, I should probably go and get Unready now. So I will see you guys in the bathroom. Finally removed my makeup. Just before I remove my makeup, I wanted to share with you guys one of my recent favorite lipsticks, which is what I have on right now, and I really like it because I'll show you guys the design. This is the cutest design ever. It has like a little puppy logo on it, and it's just very portable and easy to take out. So it's such a pretty color. I don't know, it looks a lot better on the lips than in the tube, but just this really pretty fall color. You guys, basically what I have on my lips right now, like I literally have been just using this every single day since I received it. Removing my contact lenses first. Going to use the Nature Solution Hydrating Bamboo Water, my favorite nighttime and daytime actually toner. Going in with the 2-in-1 Poreless Power Liquid by xcosjanex. Trying to keep the noise down because I think my grandma and my mum are both asleep now, so next I'm going in with the Centella Green Level Buffet Serum by Vita, which I've mentioned also in my skincare routine. And lately, because I got my wisdom tooth taken out, I have a really swollen face. I don't know if you guys can see, it is pretty swollen, so I'm gonna go and use a lifting mask, and this is the Yakson Cosmetic Yakson House Lifting Program Pack. So it has a facial mask for the top half and then a lifting mask for the bottom jawline area. I love masks like this because it just fits so well to anyone's face, because normally masks just don't work well for me. And then I look so scary using the Yakson House Lifting Program Band. So this is basically tailored for this mask. I'm actually using this for the first time, so I'm pretty excited. Let's see, how do we use this? I'm gonna look so funny. I finally got it on, I think, but it looks kind of like I've just got plastic surgery or something. I'm gonna use some of this hair oil from Innisfree. I used on the Nudge Lip Sleeping Mask.
어제 우리한테 그런 너 좋아해.
It is so moisturizing. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with my favorite moisturizer at the moment, which is this one here. This is the one by Neogen, and it's a collaboration between Neogen and Joan from, I think, Joan Kim. Yes, Joan Kim. And it's the Vita Joe Cream, Joan Day, Joan Night. So basically it is 2 creams in one. And it comes with a spatula. And if you open it up, there's a purple lightish consistency cream on this side, which is for nighttime, and then there's another greenish colored one on the other side. The purple side has lavender in it, so it's got this really nice refreshing scent that I really like. And then on the green side, in the morning, it's got green tea and vitamin C as the main ingredients. So I've been really liking this cream. And the nighttime one just doesn't like feel really heavy at all for me. And I have oily skin, so that's saying a lot. So I'm just going to moisturize the skin. Feels so nice to do skincare after like a whole week of not really having the time to, I guess, just pamper the skin. And then you can just give yourself another massage like so. So yeah, that was all for my nighttime skincare routine, and I will start getting ready to go into bed. It is time to fill out my diary and just take off any